I'm going to be honest. My expectations for a $93 pool cleaner were low. I didn't think it would do much of anything. But after a full test, I'm actually impressed. Setup was simple. I plugged it in overnight to charge, and then dropped it in the next morning, and let it run. It lasted for about 2 hours, which matches the claimed battery life perfectly. When I pulled it out, the basket was full, which may have been why it stopped at 2 hours. It handled the heavy Texas cypress and oak pollen, leaves, and even the sand and dirt my kids somehow always manage to get into the pool. 2 quick criticisms for the vine tuning verdict. First, the filter seal isn't super tight. It really needs a gasket, because I noticed some debris escaping as I pulled it out of the water. Second, the included retrieval hook is a bit cumbersome to use. But look, for $93? Those are easy trade-offs. If you need a budget-friendly baseline for pool maintenance, this is a surprising win.